I will guide you how to sort phone numbers in Excel. This is pretty simple and easy, and here I have a few names and their phone number in the second column. So first you need to select the entire data, and after that you need to right click and go to the sorting. Now go to the custom sort. In this dialog box you need to sort by cell number or name number. So we want to select cell phone number, and here is the cell values number. You need to select the cell values, and here is the biggest to smallest, and here is the smallest to biggest. So it's up to you which selection you select. So I'm going to select this one, and now click OK. And now you can see that the names and phone numbers are sorted perfectly, and it is starting from 0300 and ending on the 0345. So in this way you can easily sort phone numbers in Microsoft Excel. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel.